Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, recent files vanished in Windows 11, 10 solved. First method is change personalization settings. Second method is change folder options. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.